Alright, siserathanda ke manje Israel site. Niyabona nani kusemajukujukini phansi phezulu. Alright, la ngizohlangana no Malhloko nono. Umama kaMrungwa. UMrungwa, she's a naughty girl. She's 16 years old, akalale ekhaya, uphikisana nomama ke, uyazenzela, mabamshaya bamphanisha njengomntwana uthi yena ngcono afe or uyobabophisa. Alright, kuningi mara ngeke nginike kona konke nizozwela lapha ngaphakathi. Follow me. Ghetto Professor GP Orange. Yeah, hiyo leyo. Bangafuni yekela. Thank you baba.
Well, igama nguMalhlonolo wakaMuthwa, and then I'm 35, and then ngihlala eHeidelberg eObedinkosi. Well, nginey'ngane eziyi-3, and then the one enize ngaye is uMrungwe wakaMuthwa, and she is 16 years. uMrungwe was a bubbly child. uMrungwe started ukuchinja, I think, hantle hase ayetsa 15. And then sele motho o considering the chomi more, and then hatla ka tlung a sa etsa all the chores and everything else as a cleaner o phela robetsi, and then she would go out, we understand, and then come back late around 7:07 to 8, and then how oma, and then be like sorry mama lo na wa rata bolela, understand those kind of attitudes and everything else. And then it ended up to level ya hore, and then now I didn't understand. So nalena we started having that back chat, mother to daughter thing, and then that's when I discovered hore, and then satalifile uthoma uJona.
Sanibona kunjani mama?
Ngiyaphila njani baba?
Siyaphila. Ubani igama?
Malhlonolo.
Malhlonolo. Ngo-Israel mina igama lami Matseke Zulu. Okay. Angihambi ngiyi-1.
Hamba nomqondisi ubaba Jiyani.
Ngiyabonga baba Jiyani.
Yeah.
Danke sis.
Singahlala kuphi sikhulume le ndaba?
Singahlala ngaphakathi.
Okay. Siswami ungakhululeka urelaxe. Usithatha usibeke usitshele ukuthi what is the problem?
All right. uMrungwe una 16 and uyahlupha kakhulu. Started coming in ebusuku and mawumbuza, and then uzovela kunike attitude akuphendula kulahlelele. And then one time wathi makabuya, then mangimbuza ukuthi ubuyaphi, and then wathi, and then I know ngikhapa abangani bami, so it doesn't matter. Then wangena ekamereni, then wazirelaxela nomntana kibu kamhelo. And then from there usuke ekseni ngo-6 went to boyfriend 6 o'clock early in the morning. Uyaphuma la endlini uzigqokela tight, uzigqokela vest, umntanami going out uya boyfriend. And then makabuya, I think around abo 1:30 mangimbuza ukuthi ubuyaphi, then waqamba manga ukuthi no ngibuye emnganini, and then umngani wami uthe ngize ngizomvakashela because uyahamba going somewhere, so angeke ngimbone for isikhathi, so that is why ngize ngahamba ekseni. Ngithi mina ubani umngani wakho? And then wathi no umngani wami, I just don't remember igama lakhe. And then okay ngathatha ifone yakhe ke mina ngakhuluma nalomngani athi then ubuya kuye, we understand. And then umngani wathi no mina uMrungwa ngimbonanga since ngimgcine last week, uMrungwa kezanga kimi, so uzibuyela la abuya khona. Then mangimbuza ukuthi kahle kahle khuluma iqiniso ukuthi ubuyaphi, we understand. That's when sekasho ke ukuthi then ubuya kuMamello, because nakhona ngibhaqe i-text ebuya kulawe baselela endlini bayisendela uMamello ukuthi eMamello tshela uMrungwa ukuthi zishubile la endlini abuye. Umnyana sekimutha, what's going on Mrungwa? Hi mama Mrungwa, hi mama Mrungwa, understand. Then up until I found out, okay fine, Mrungwa ujola le Mamello, and then okay, who is Mamello? Then discovered no bakena school on say one, and then that's all there was into it. Then they would receive the calls late at night and everything else. And then one time abe alwana le stepfather sahay, because of they were on a video call, elipsi barobeti, and then they were making noise. And then stepfather sahay hey, then Arno Lisa phone. Then they started having a beautiful bona balitu, and of which in eleba to balen close to the level of dinto tse dingwe na khona o share le stepfather sahay go feta le nna.
Nehlala nitu.
Sihlala si-3. Yimi, uMrungwe, and then uKamhelo.
Amantombazana.
Amantombazana.
There's no father figure.
If father figure ikhona, which is the stepfather, but uza only if angekho emsebenzini, then he would come and then uzobona ukuthi yonke into right and everything else. So makwenzeka yonke leyo thing leyo uze weza. Then makafika, and then that's when, because of anger, end up sengigcina sengimbeka isandla umrungu. You understand, ngimshaya, and then mangimshaya wakhipha igama lokuthi ngcono ngimbulale. We understand.
Nonombulale for ukuthi ayenze lezo zinto afuna ukuzenza.
Afuna ukwenza lezi zinto afuna ukuzenza.
Then kwathi chifi ne to the level ukuthi the stepfather was like, how could you say ukuthi mama ukuzalayo akubulali? Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle uyadelela. We understand.
From lapho ke waphuma kwaba umuntu ukuthi ndeni uyosibophisa ukuthi simshayile. And then ngathi mina no hamba, ngakunika even nemali yokugibela ukuthi uhambe uye police station uyongibophisa, and then uze nawo amaphoyisa, and then the police will tell me ukuthi is it wrong for me as a parent ukuthi ngidiscipline umntana makayenza into wrong. We understand. And then okay, kwanhlula I think 2 or 3 days, and then after that they wanted ukuphuma bathi bayolala kubomngane, and then I said no, it's not going to happen. And then around 11 past 11 ebusuku, that's when like ngisesilele, then baphuma again ukamhela umntana kibo lomlandelayo, bayaphuma bavula umnyango bashiya ibhatla bangayivalanga, bayaphuma bayahamba
because uthe makahamba wa influencer nalomncane umlandelayo baphuma boyi2 ngahamba ngayobalanda, and then they came back, lo mncane fine wabuya la endlini, and then umrungu stayed only I think about a day, and then after lelo langa lelo, then umrungu decided to go out.
Biological baba wakhe ukuphi?
The biological father agamazi, because wamphika angakaveli nokuvela.
Number 2, I've been struggling with that child on my own as much as I am a single mother. But nangelanga lomhlola zakhe athi I went to bed ngadlile. Nangelanga lomhlola zakhe athi ndeni mina I don't dress up. Umrungu ugcoka ukudlula wonke umuntu. Umrungu has everything ayifuna life in.
Hayi ngiyacabanga ukuthi manje silandele yena umrungwa sibone ukuthi siphuma kanjani.
Hayi
akutholakale yena mathupha.
Yeah.
Right.
Kena mongwe ke dula Hetlelbe ke rathanda ke dula le moa ka Malhlogonolo.
Uye lo lele phansi.
Seyagula.
Lutho akafuna ukuzambela, ufuna
Pamkukela pochiyani mrongo sami.
like now she's being more disrespectful. We understand, like ke ka sere ke fihla ke re ba o batla, and then wabe o re then ke mang, why wasn't I told?
Asami wazala
Bambala isandleni.
ngeke ngizohlula lo muntu ukani lo muntu man. Azositshela kahle ukuthi what is the problem.
Hayi miyeke uzosukuma miyeke. Woza uzosukuma ngekhethe.
Ha ke bona abuti ona le ngumeli o taknyana ka khala ne ke thuile ba ne knana go tlongnatha.
Awu. Sinabantwana abadlula wena ngeminyaka, sinabantwana abanabantwana thina.
Ma ko fihlilang bitsa, the next thing ka bona abuti mxolisi ma orange batla bese ba fihla ba re ke phahama ba ne ke dutse fatshe, then ka be ke phahama he.
Ufuna ukukhuluma sokhala kwamampela? Yeah? Manje wangakhulumi.
Akudula fatshe ke la nagana gore o bitsitse ke ba rena le intwe e reng ke disciplinary camp. So ne ke thuile gore ba tlominka ba tsamaye le nna.
Ke botsa ngwana ya tshwenya hobe ba tlo nthusa since well a ke re wena ha o batla mamela, and a o batla go tla ka tlung hobane o na le problem ya hobane re le ka o shapa, and then wena o ka se go ka tlung, you would rather be 6 feet underground. So before senya future ya how I wanted to try hore then at least go bontsha hore life mo kantle ibima, more especially if o tlo dula ha bo pontsho, and then a o tsebo go etsahalang, and o batla we control the way batla control ka teng le the way no ntso wetsa dintho ka teng, so ho wrong, and o no se so ho o tshintshwe keng na ke tsebe
O ka gala ko geno wa dula ko next door. Yeah? Go na le ko next door.
Hana next.
Actually, I was.
Yo, ha ba emela ne kuthuile haholo ba ne kana re batlong lata.
Why ungahlala ekhaya?
Yeah? Wasadile ko gae.
Stefana sa ka sana ngnatha le sana le mat.
Wenzeni? Ke yona re batlang go tseba le ra mlana.
Ngnathile, angnatha ka gonatha thaka ya hae. Bandile ke Stefana and ke feel ka tseleng we know because of ola kala ka lwana le moaka. After a qeta lwana le moaka, ne se le motshola hore sa sebedisa like enga everything I etsang ena sa sebedisa enga.
Stefana sakhaw. No wenzeni wena? Yeah?
Bewenzeni khuluma.
Hey. Akuna kuthi mama enzanga next ufuna umuntu ongakusukela kunathe nje for fuck on.
Awumiyela kahle ngoba uyakhuluma ahlale phansi akhuluma.
Kuzophuma kuwe ukuthi ufuna siyenze ngehavok or ufuna siyenze smart.
Yes,
and smart ukukhuluma ukuthi what is the problem, what happened in detail. Why tshwantsa shapa usayitsa next? Yeah? How tsebe? Re tla tseba today.
Yeah, very nice.
Yes, Harry Bandile Omonathile, it was when it was a form of discipline. I understand, because of nakitse ha ke moshapa, then arendeni ke molai. You understand? Then that's when Bandile akwata hore how can you say me o tswalang a go bolaye where else you did something wrong and you were just supposed to say mama ke kopa tshwarelo ntwe ke yentseng e wrong and all that.
So wena ha o shapi wena ha ba o shapa kontlungu wa ngala nkampane ke ishwena le bo mang lona alipanishiwe lona ukhona umntana wentombazana azikhethela ukuyohlala next door ke ngwahlanya watsuba utsuba nyaupe utsuba crystal meat so ke ngbothata ba gago asinex jwang uyambona tshiyano yaqala
yabona uqalile
One hore the reason o ile mo shapiwa o no shapelwa
une uwenze itsatsile
Excited next latsa maka tlung bese ka be khutla mo ka ntshethisa a go tlong natha ka be ke re nang nathe mo ka ba re yang natha aba phama ena so fela ngshapa ka di face
o maka
ka tsile bandila tlong natha ka lona ne ke tswile ke le ba khotsing baka so itse o khutla wa ka yena a go moka ke tswile psiu ka be nna ke zama explain moka ga ka tswa psiu moka sa ka ba mela stersa ka ba go tlogena tha ka ofela ka be ke re na angnathe ha ke re moka angnathe bandila ba phahama he ang shapa ka di face so feng hangnatha moka a kena ka hare amkhotsa aba a etsang a re natha sa gna thagile itshukna moka be se moka like na khavile sfahlelo sa ka le sfahlelo sa hae be se bandila shapa mmile ka be ke re ke a tswa ke yo bula case na moka bang tshiba a re ke mtloele
ukshapile ko kae ka
mama le ka mo re ka mbotsa o ka o jetsa le sedi le tumiri ka ba lata ka o jetsa hore o phahamang shapa ka di face ka ka balela ka mereng lata ka mereng ang natha the way da batla natha ka te kita ke re ke bula case nasa nathi ka face nang natha ka face mo ka kena go ya mbotsa still asa khotse a natha re di thuli tumiri sedi re ka ba botsa
mogongwe o maka the reason e entseng hore bandile I am stulo mo sofeng una dutse mode e ntse mo ga eme sofeng ko bane wena ke itse ha ko natha wena wa renda ni mpolaye vele akere bandile a re ha ema a reng wena a renda o ka re mme wa ha o tswalang a o bolaye jwang o sele ha una hlompho
ya se senza kanjani
wena thoma go natha
okay
Go moshapa a se ntho ya hore nene o shapiwe ka di face and all that. One mogongo na sna blue eye ha fetsa o shapiwa mogongo una sa tswe madi or anything whatsoever to show hore and then there was a hard external like beating ka tsela eo ya hore and then una shapiwa je ka ngwana you understand so yena just because of ufila hore and then the way a shapiweng ka teng ne tlamele nkabe o nkilwe thupa a shapiwa ka thupa.
Cut documentation disciplinary committee eziningi sizokhuluma after lo mntwana uyadelela si in reason esizele la umama akhe ulazomfaka endleleni so masizoloku esiargue naye uzoloku ashashaya the way ajwayele ukubashasha ngakhona. She's manipulative and disrespectful.
I feel right now hore there is nothing I can do because when's a decision high and it's affecting Nahape at the end. And then I felt okay but we control avele because malume akasemotse hore ha khutla ka 11 akasemotse hore o tswa kae ho etsahalang why o khutla late and all that and there won't be any punishment whatsoever. So
asidele ku disciplinary camp. So sikhuluma after le ndaba lezi isikhathi
Pakamateki lapha. Pakamateki singene ku disciplinary. Sizokwazi ukuthi sibe right.
Lahlela phezulu kwendlu.
Mina nawe siyasebenza.
Sisemsebenzini la.
Ngabe ngenze nje wenza nje ngami, ne? Uyangibona ngithi? Ya, ngibheke phela ubheke mina.
So nabazali abasha
uzoshaya kanje ne?
New parents
Uzoshaya kanje.
on the block.
Uzokountela ka 15. Asiye khona manje.
And no pain.
Antse kujima mama ngishebile nekufika kare nabatla yetsa revenge. Yankuhlisa buhlungu.
Dipanalo tshwana lophuzayo.
6.
Usasemncane kakhulu man.
7.
Ngajaha.
Boss. 8.
Wait to reach 21.
10. 5. 6. 7.
For Katawaya punishment, at first I was very skeptical because of I felt her and then okay, 1, she won't survive. 2, I felt her and then probably yeah, mama very
We are shola khona. Yabona manje uyakhala, okay? Asikuyeke lokho.
Stomach exercise.
Woza ngapha.
Yeah, yabona ukuganga ukuthi kubhlungu kanjani.
Hakilla neselubhluku hawulu, esekutla bhluku mama wele ngaka.
Yabona ukuthi mama ukhala kanjani mawungekho ebusuku. Ngibheke ukuthi ngenzani, yabona? Shofi ibhayisikili lakho, yabona? Uye return the mall. Return the mall. Asi.
Unasiso. So it's too much to take in and the pain was just a lot. Ubulala net.
Yazi sicala ngokwenzani. Kunempahla zakho ngale next door. Amuyozilanda. Escort. Okay, Morunga. Ka process re tsamaileng ka tsheko. Re be re fihle mo. No sa respect. Go la dintwe changeileng ka wena or you feel gore rona ro abuse it. Yeah? So, o change it. O tlo robala mo mogae. O tlo mmamela mama gago. Botsa yena ke yo motse. Tlo botsa gore re tsang ka papa gago.
Excuse.
Excuse ini mntanami.
Never kusapita kwetela.
Never sapita wetseng ke batla o di count. 1.
Never kusapita kubala katlo.
2.
Never kusa akabisa.
3. Samaya psiyo.
Shono phe.
Never kusapita tamapsi.
Yes, girl.
And wabona ha umsheba re bona sifatlego sa gago. We can see a confused, manipulated, innocent girl. It's very important to somebody ditlhong ka wena o somebody ditlhong gore o tswana ko kae a se wena o le one o phigilweng ke papa gae.
Mama ngibona nawe sekufika la ngathi nawe ufikelwa usizi kwenze njani? Bona uyakhala nawe manje.
Yeah,
Nobabili.
kuningi because I think ngisafare kakhulu nomurungu to the level ukuthi izinto azenzayo zingizwisa ubuhlungu. You understand? Being alone, ngicabanga ukuthi kumele ngimake sure ukuthi bona ba right. They get whatever they want, isikolo, they go to school each and every time. So it was like good too much, you understand?
Baby girl, o tloba eng kapa eng o batlang go ba yona is up to you.
Yeah.
You can be an addict, you can be a trolley puller, a rubbish recycler. How about that? You can be a doctor, you can be a superstar. Where you come from doesn't determine where you are going. Future is in your hands.
Yeah.
Tanti siyabonga. Siyayivala ke thina ke bakwa Moja Love baka channel 157. Singakhuluma kakhulu kodwa asikhulumi nonsense. Whether uyathanda or awuthandi, umlayezo sokukhipha la yilo odingayo. Siyahamba siyekhaya. Nani eninenkinga